Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add or delete or remove or change your location on the Shopify website. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply, we have to go to the Shopify website and we have to log in. And after logging in, as you can see, it has the option for the settings. So we have to click on the settings. And after clicking on the settings, as you can see, we need to scroll down. And after scrolling down, here's the option for the location. So we have to click on the location. And after clicking on the location, as you can see, currently the default location is the Pakistan. And if you want to edit it, or if you want to change it, you can also do that. As you can see, manage the places, your stock inventory, fulfill orders, and sell products. You are using one of two locations available on your plan. We have currently two locations in our plan. So if you want the more locations, then you have to upgrade it through the premium. So I'm going to click on the add location. And after clicking on the add location, now we have to choose the location. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And now you have to choose your region. And as you can see, as a region, and after that you have to search for the address, and after that apartment you have to provide the full details, and after providing these details you just need to hit the save, and these details will be saved. So I'm going to back again. So let's leave this page. And after that, as you can see, as this address, so if you want to change this, you can also do that. You have to click on this, and the shop location, you have to provide the shop location. And as you can see, if you want to change this again, you can also do that. Then you also have to provide all the details and all the address details here, and then you just need to hit the save, and after that these all things will be saved. So in this way you can change your location on Shopify. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.